how do you say this name? And why is there a random Z in the middle? I'll give you a clue, it is not pronounced Dalziel. This one's interesting because there's a lot going on in just 7 letters, and there are also more than 200 recorded variations. To start with, DL comes to us again from Gaelic. This time it's the word Dalziel, which means white meadow, obviously named after a feature of the landscape at the time. But that pesky Z, why is that in there? Well, the early written form of DL from over 700 years ago was originally spelled with a yoch, a letter that no longer exists in the modern alphabet, but it more closely resembles that Gaelic sound, y. However, around the 15th century, the yoch often became confused with a Z, and early Scots printers would then use Z when yoch was unavailable, and that is why DL, Mingus, and a handful of Scottish place names have a random Z in the middle. It's not a Z. Interestingly, the DL clan motto is I dare, which comes from an 18th century tale of a soldier recovering the body of a fellow kinsman, and reportedly I dare in Old Scots sounded like DL. However, because we can see the surname DL pop up almost half a millennia before this story was told, it seems to me like the motto is more of a pun on the name rather than the origin itself. Top marks for storytelling though.